A refrigerator works by removing heat from its internal environment. And in order to do that, it has to dissipate that heat somewhere. So underneath the fridge, you'll find a long, convoluted series of tubes that distribute this heat, which is usually called the condenser coil. This condenser coil acts like a big radiator, which allows the heat to dissipate. But the problem is that this coil gets so covered with dirt so quickly. This was just cleaned last year. I clean it every year. And now it's time. So I will show you how I've kept this old refrigerator alive for so long. And there we have it. That's a quick and easy tune-up that should keep you good for another 100,000 miles.